it's Kiana. So today I am going to be cleaning out my entire closet. I haven't done it in a hot minute. I moved in to this room from my old smaller bedroom like 5 years ago, and that was the last time I really cleaned out my closet. So it's been a while, so I decided that I'm not doing anything today, so I'm going to clean out my closet. If you haven't already done so, subscribe to this channel. It's right down below, and let's get started. Okay, so behind these doors is what holds my closet. So let's open her up. So in my closet, there are little divider things that my dad built. I don't know if you guys can see that, but up there is like a whole shelf that I won't be touching because I already organized them, so we're not going to do that. Also, the bottom portion, I'm not really going to touch. I'm just going to pull it all out so that I can vacuum it. I'm mainly going to be focusing on the shelves over here, as well as this thing which holds all my jackets and anything that is on the top racks. So I'm just going to start by taking out literally everything from the shelves to these racks because I don't really know what I want to keep and what I want to donate. I'm just going to go through things and see if I've worn them recently, if I haven't, if I even like them. And I'm going to start a donate pile and then anything that will be back in my closet. I'm just gonna go through a bunch of the clothes that are on my floor, and I am gonna put them in a donate pile or put them back in my closet. The way I organize my closet is always by color. Behind me over here, those are not organized by color. They're just kind of organized by like what kind of they categorize as. So let's get started. Oh, actually, I think I'm gonna put back my sweaters because that sounds like a good idea. I have a whole bunch of these crew neck sweaters. I have ones like these. I have ones from my school. I have my grad sweater from school from last year. They're just sweaters that I usually sleep in the winter. So I have about 6 sweaters, if we could see, and I'm just gonna put it on one of these shelves back here. Next, I have a whole bunch of my shorts, and I went through my shorts a couple years ago and I kind of got rid of some things. I guess I'm gonna do skirts and shorts in one of these like compartment things because I do have a lot of skirts and I can never find those clippy hanger things because I don't know where they are. I don't think I'm gonna go through any of these shorts because they're all shorts that I still generally wear. Okay, so next I'm gonna do my dresses and jackets and things like rompers, things that are long, because in this section over here there is no shelf, so it's perfect for things that are longer so that they can hang downwards. So I'm gonna do jackets, rompers, dresses, and then we'll move on to like shirts and things. Okay, so I have this jacket from Topshop and it's a long trench coat. It literally goes to like my ankles. I don't really wear this often because it is so like professional looking and I'm not, that's just not me. So I am gonna keep it though because I do like to wear it when it gets cold in the summer. I don't know. So that's the first thing that's gonna be hung up in my newly organized closet. I legitimately have so many jackets and I always feel the need to buy so many freaking jackets. I think I do have an excuse though, considering I do live in Canada, so you know it gets cold. I also have these 2 denim jackets. This one is from Hollister. It's a darker denim with more distressing and it's a little bit cropped, while this one is a more bigger, baggier one from American Eagle and it's a light wash denim. I'm gonna take these off the hangers because I'm gonna hang those up there so that I could wear them during the summer. Okay, now I'm just gonna go and put back any of the jackets, but over on this side this time because they used to be on this side. I'm also gonna go through the hanger that holds all my scarves because I don't wear half these scarves. I'm honestly just gonna donate all of these because I don't wear any of them. And then I'm just gonna hang up my blanket scarf. It's honestly the only scarf that I actually wear. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put it on that shelf over there because I don't want it to take up more space that I could use to hang up my clothes. Oh, wait a minute. I have to do my dresses. Let's do that. Okay, so I clearly have a dress problem because I have so many. So let's go through these. Okay, so the first one I have is actually a romper, and it's from Urban Outfitters. I got it so many Christmases ago, but I recently wore it to a wedding, which I will insert a picture right here. It's really cute. I don't know where I would ever wear it. It took me so long to figure out where to wear it the first time, but I'm gonna keep it because it's so cute. It has like these silver flowers along it, and it's this pretty dusty lilac color, and then it has an open back, and the best part, it has freaking pockets. Like, I have to keep it. Okay, this looks stupid. I think I'm gonna move my trench coat from that side over so it doesn't look dumb. Okay, that looks more logical, I guess. I have this romper from American Eagle. It's this white romper with some pink, coral, peaches, blues, but I love this because again it has pockets, like dream come true, and it's really flowy. These are already organized by color because they were already organized. My battery is gonna die. Shoot, 1 second. Okay, so I just replaced the battery, so we're good. So I have these two dresses. This one's from American Eagle and this one is from Topshop, and I'm gonna keep both of them because they're casual enough to where I could wear it anywhere, but they are fancy enough to where I could wear it to like a banquet hall party or something. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to crop tops, then I'll do regular tops, and then I'll do sweaters, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna speed through this because I feel like this video is already going by so slowly. So I'm just gonna speed through this and I will update you guys in a little bit. Okay, so as you can maybe see behind me, I organized my entire closet except for that little cubby thing over there. In my closet, I actually have so many things from my graduation. So I have my graduation cap, I have my graduation gown, I have my diploma, I think this is the invitation. Yeah, this is the invitation to my grad. I had the little, I forgot what this thing is called, the thing that goes around your neck. I have my honor roll medal. I have this thing that I can't remember the name of. So I think I'm gonna put that on the shelf because I wanted to get like a shadow box for it. However, I don't think I could even fit my diploma in a big enough shadow box. So I'm just gonna keep it over there and I'll decide what to do with it later on in life. I also keep my candle stock somewhere in my closet, so I'm also gonna put it on that shelf right over there. Okay, so I have just finished reorganizing my entire closet. So let's open her up. So over here we just have this little door hanger thing that holds my belts now, and a couple of these old crossbody purses that I don't really use anymore, as well as I switched out my winter jackets for these more spring and summer type denim jackets, and then this more warm jacket. Over here we have a bunch of everything from winter jackets to more spring and summer jackets that I don't typically wear, to dresses, rompers, overalls, things like that, to longer sweaters, anything that is very long and needs to hang down low, because over here there's a shelf but over here there isn't, so it allows things to just hang downward. So over here we have a bunch of my winter jackets, to more spring and summer jackets, to things like a jumpsuit which is very long, and a trench coat. We also have things like just casual dresses, more fancy dresses. We also have things like longer cardigans and sweaters. Moving on over here, I did decide to just color coordinate everything instead of going by like style, because it just looked way too messy, and I feel like color coordinating everything just looks so nice and neat. So yeah, so over here we just have a bunch of whites, and then it fades into more of a darker toned beige. So it goes anything from like crop tops to like shorter tops or shorter shirts will be in the front of the colors, and then it'll go down to more sweaters, and then it'll repeat it for every single color going all the way down till black. I don't know if you guys can see that because it's in the dark. And then over here are my pants, which I said that I didn't even touch because they are fairly organized, and I do go through these pretty often, so they don't typically have to be changed. At the bottom, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is my graduation cap, gown, whatever this thing is, medals, diplomas. Over here are a bunch of candles, and then I put my blanket scarf just tucked away for the summer because I don't need it at this very moment. Going over here, we have this bin, which I don't really know what's in it, and I don't really want to go through it. And then we have some backpacks, duffel bags, other bags. Going over here, I have my prom dress, which I have no idea what to do with, so it's just gonna stay in that bag, and it was in that bag from prom as well. Then we have some shoes over here, and then we have sandals. Moving up top, we just have a bunch of sweaters that I don't use to go out. I just use to like sleep in during the winter because it's cold. Moving up top, we just have skirts at the bottom, and then moving up top to more shorts. Moving up top, we just have all of like my camera kind of things. So my bag for my Canon DSLR, this old vintage Polaroid, as well as the flash that comes with it. And then up top we just have more bags, so bigger bags, a backpack again, and then like a fanny pack waist bag kind of thing that I don't ever use. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If at any point you enjoyed any part of this, give me a big thumbs up. Also, if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel right down below because it's free, and who doesn't love free things? Also, follow me on all my social media platforms. They will always be linked in the description box below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!